everybody, Gina DeLuca here. All right, today, you see I have a pretty big canvas here. This is an 18 by 24. This will need about 15 ounces of paint in total. I chose this second color palette. Don't mind my manicure. That's the finger I always lose from playing guitar. Chips right off. Here, I'll hold it with this finger. There, that's better to look at. So I chose this second color palette. I'm just not using the silver, sort of. I'm using the DecoArt Metallics in sterling silver, but I have added to this the Liquitex Basics Phthalo blue, just a bit, enough to tint it, and to the purple color, I have added Dioxazine purple in Basics, which is going to be my base coat color and my background. This is going to be a combination of pours. I'm going to do a ring pour, sort of, in the center, and straight pours on the edges. But these three paints are all cell makers. So this is a big experiment. This white is the FolkArt Milk Paint, and that is a cell maker. I have mixed it 50% milk paint to 50% basics in the titanium white. So this color palette came from my Go Make Some Art FolkArt inspiration cards. If you haven't seen these yet, let me give you a quick show. There are 8 bonus color palette cards with 5 palettes on each. And there are 42 technique cards. Each has a different technique and a video that's associated with it to show you how to do it. And each one has a color palette that matches the painting, but also if you look at the boxes, you can use those as a 2-color pour. They are designed to be complementary for that reason. These are available on my website, ginadeluca.net. Get them while they're hot. All right. Now that we're finished with that commercial, the consistency that we're working with is a little bit thicker than I usually do for a straight pour, but these are strong cell makers. This Metallics, the DecoArt Metallics, and the Milk Paint both make strong cells. I just realized I was missing a light, so this should look better. Here is the consistency we're working with. It makes a mound, but disappears relatively quickly. If you mix your metallics too thin, you'll just get a sheen over everything, which can be very pretty. But I want cells. So, actually, I think I'll put my base coat down first, and then I will fill my cups. Okay, let's put down our base coat. Okay, my base coat is down, and now I'm going to put some paint in some cups. I'm going to be doing about a total of 12 ounces between the three, because I do have a base coat down. Actually, I'll start here. All right, I think I'll do the metallic silver next. And I'm going to come up from a little high because I want this to sink. Okay, now blue. And finally the white. All right, let's get this party started. First the ring pour, a slow ring pour. Okay, now for the straight pours on the side. I'm going to do these simultaneously. Lord help me. Whew. Okay, let's pop these bubbles. Okay, giving it a good torch. Now I'm going to move this around a bit and stretch it out. Just trying to get this puddle to be one mass and not just three puddles. All right. I think I'm going to go side to side. Okay, bringing the weight back to center. Try to catch, not quite catch, just stretch it. Back to center. Same over here. All right, feel confident going over the edge now. If you bring your paint back to center from the same direction you just came, you will be able to control your compositions better. I want to tighten up this side that's closest to me. So I'm going to tilt a bit off. All right, that's it. I'm leaving it alone. This came out great. I'm very happy with this. Okay, I'm gonna let this sit and see what else happens. A lot of times you get more cells popping up. But for now, I'm walking away from the painting. Back in a few. Okay, here it is. I love how this turned out. The sparkly cells are gorgeous. Absolutely loving that. I love the depth in it. Let's get that. I love the center. I just like this painting. I just love that blending there. Oh, that's so pretty. Who needs silicone? You can get this effect without silicone, y'all. And the cleanup is so easy. There is none. You just wipe the dust off of it. But there it is. I like the sense of order in the center, and then the sides are a little chaotic, but still somewhat symmetrical. That turned out as well as I could have expected it to, or hoped it to. So there it is. If you like this painting, if you found it entertaining or informative, please give it a thumbs up. Like and share and subscribe if you have not already. And if you are subscribed, make sure you hit that bell so you get notified when I have new work, new videos popping up. Do check out the description box below for links to the FolkArt inspiration cards, woo, that are at they're available on my website, GinaDeLuca.net. You can also find my artwork and my music for sale there. My new CD, Better Than Chocolate. I've been very busy the past year. Also in the description box are links to my PayPal tip jar. If you feel so inclined, want to help me stay stocked up in supplies so I can keep bringing you the groovy experiments, that's greatly appreciated. My Amazon store, where anything that you purchase off the entire site of Amazon, if you enter through that link, I make a small commission of at no additional cost to you. And last but not least, certainly not least, go make some art. Join our Facebook group. Post your masterpieces, ask your questions, get some inspiration. And oh, one more thing also. Check out the video for my first music video, Better Than Chocolate. It'll be popping up at the end of this video, and the link is also available in the description box. Okie dokie, there it is. That is a cool painting. I'm going to be doing a big version of this, something like this, very soon, and very big. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a beautiful day. Now go make some art.